Here's one of the late model specialty vehicles we have gotten in recently. 2010 Mercedes-Benz. Little hardtop roadster. So this does have the power retractable hardtop on it. I have it down for the video so I can show you the interior and take a look at this great looking automobile. This particular vehicle is a two-owner vehicle. Has been serviced at Feldman Imports in the Minneapolis area. Has a little over 7,000 miles on it is all. Has not been driven in any climate weather. That's why the miles stay so low, because they're only driven about 4 to 6 months. Here where we're at, this car's been in our area the whole time. Mature, adult owned. The gentleman who owned it last, just health-wise, wasn't driving the car enough, using the car enough, and decided it was time to part with his baby. That's just what this car was. It was his baby. That's what he had it for. Just a little fun summertime cruiser. Check out the still pictures. You can see the underside of this car, interior pics, engine bay. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too. You won't have any surprises on this car. Give us a call. We'd sure be happy to help you out with it. 507-386-1726. Carfax is clean, no accidents indicated, confirms the mileage. Like I said, I think it's 7,230 some. Paint in very nice shape. Interior, everything, very nice shape on this one. Like I said, you won't have any surprises on this. If you're looking for a little retractable hardtop convertible for summertime fun, here you go. 2010 SLK-300. You take a look up and down the sides of it too. Driver's side, passenger side. Not much for dings, nicks, chips in it. Couple little real small ones along the door back here. It almost looks like just a couple little marks in the protective clear part is what it is. If you can, I don't know if you can see that. There's a 3M kind of coating to protect that door edge, so it's more just little imperfections in that coating. And as you can see, I hope maybe I can get it pointed out to you, there is the 3M, and you can't really pick that up in the camera here either. Here you can kind of see the line. There is a 3M protective coating on the front of this, help guard against rock chips. Up on the hood there. Again, very nice shape, well taken care of car. I'm going to go ahead and put the key in, start her up. We can check the exact miles and everything, but take a look at the interior. And the floor mats are like new in this. As you can see, the seats are not hardly worn, let alone any sort of rips or tear or anything. And once again, you can check out those still pictures. See the interior, the underside, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Start this up so you get an idea how it runs. Hear it. Dash, everything in nice shape. Stereo system all stock. Horn works. Very touchy horn on the steering wheel, so you get anywhere near it, it pops off. Climate control. Down here you can see the power top. So we try to get the miles to pop up on here for you. Here you go. So 7,235. No warning indicators or anything like that on. Good stereo climate control system. Steering wheel controls everything on the wheel. Barely hear it run. Very smooth running cars. Slip around to the back. Nothing out of the ordinary. That's what you'd expect out of a 2010 Mercedes. I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood too, just so you can check out the engine bay, see how clean this car really is. Alright. I think I may be able to do this one one-handed, possibly. Alright, there we go. As you can see, no stains even on the hood liner. Extremely clean. well taken care of car. So 2010 Mercedes-Benz SLK-300. Two-door retractable roof hardtop. Roadster. Two-owner. Adult-owned. Clean Carfax. A little over 7,000 miles. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number can be reached at 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.